But like, if you got cute stuff, it's cute. Like, it don't matter the brand, and don't let nobody tell you if it's not like designer or something that you can't get or it's not cute. This is baddie on a budget. Do you understand me? You're gonna be a baddie on a budget.
Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah Rachelle, aka Mikaylah, and today's video is going to be a little mini vlog of me going to the mall, going Black Friday, Cyber Monday shopping, and at the end of this video is going to be a little mini haul for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget at the end of the video to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe for another piece of cake. See you. Hey guys, we're in H&M right now. Me and my mom doing some, what weekend is this? Thanksgiving weekend shopping, Cyber Monday, Black Friday shopping. So stay tuned for the haul. We just got some stuff, some goods in here. So say hi, mommy. Guys, personally, I don't really like H&M like that. Only for basics, I like H&M, but I don't really shop in here like that, to be honest.
It's for a mature crowd.
Okay, and we're gonna probably go into like Forever 21 or like, you know, other stores that I could really shop in, because this ain't it, so. Guys, we're at Applebee's. I definitely stopped my mother mid-sentence of what she was saying. Sorry.
You did.
But we're at Applebee's because we're hungry, and all we had was a bowl of cereal, and it's currently 5 o'clock. Right, mommy?
Yeah, we had that at 2 o'clock.
So we ordered
Steak bowl.
Southwest steak bowls. Yeah. So that's what we got. Our appetizer is spinach dip. So when the food gets here, I'll show you guys.
Yes.
Of course, she's ready.
Here.
I got a lemonade, a pomegranate lemonade. She got a colada, something, Very Mary colada, whatever it is.
Pina colada.
There you have it. And we just got spinach and dip. Spinach dip.
Spinach and dip. You want some spinach and dip?
So that's what we got. So we're about to dive in until our food comes. That's good.
You took the whole thing of cheese.
Whatever.
You're selfish.
You're selfish. So I have this much food left, right?
And she has that much food, right?
She doesn't have any meat left. So she asked me for a piece of meat.
Like literally a piece of meat. That's gonna
But
hurt your soul. It's gonna hurt your soul.
but you didn't ration it the right way.
So that
and
means
that's why
I
you're stuck
can't. So
without
you
it.
can be
But I
selfless
have
and
this-
give me.
I have so much food left.
You can't. So you don't have enough for your mom to have one piece. Like one. I just want to get this right. One piece to go with like all this rice. It's like a
You know what?
Wow.
I'm gonna give her a piece.
wow.
Do you still want it?
I want a piece of a piece. I didn't.
Now watch her complain about the piece that I give her.
What's sad is that I'm paying for it, and I can't even get so technically. That's my role. It's
Put
not
it
your
down.
role.
Put it down. Selfishness.
Ain't nobody selfish.
One piece of.
It's good though, y'all. I'm full, but she's forcing me to finish. Like, who does that?
I did it when you were growing up.
Clearly. That's why I'm fat now. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from the mall, and we have a lot to get through. First, I'm gonna start off with Forever 21. First off, I got this mini little chain necklace or whatever. I believe it's a double pack or it's like together. So, but I just thought it would be cute, you know, this little necklace to have because I don't have a lot of silver. I know y'all see a silver bracelet and like a silver necklace right now, but I don't have a lot of silver jewelry. So I'm just like, let me just get something different. Just a disclaimer, my voice might sound a little raspy because I'm recording this video very late. It's like 12 o'clock right now, so excuse me if y'all hear a little bit of raspiness. I promise my voice is not this deep, but even if it was, even my business, don't do that.
Excuse me? You in my business? Yeah, don't do that.
But anyway, back to Forever 21. So my next piece is this mesh button-up top. Now, I don't know if you guys would consider this a jacket, but like, it's just mesh, you know? But like, I was thinking I was gonna put like a bodysuit underneath and like I could leave it open or close it. I'm probably gonna leave it open, but a bodysuit underneath and like make it a whole little look. I gotta put it together. I'm gonna make it work. But y'all, this was originally $27.99 and I got it for $9. If that's not a sale, I mean, what really is? Next, you know you gotta get your basics. So I got two basic tees, okay? This first one is the black one. It's basic, it's a box tee, oversized. You have to make it work. I feel like you need basics in your closet that are reliable, and this actually feels like thick and good quality. So like, you could dress it up, dress it down, tie it, make it a crop top. Like, you just could do so many things with it. And it was originally $8 and I got it for $5. Same thing with the white, originally $8, got it for $5. So it was really a 2-for-1 for me, because like, why not? So y'all, now we're gonna go into H&M. Now, usually I wouldn't get stuff like this, but I'm really trying to step out of my comfort zone. Like, I'm really trying to find what my style is, what I like, and like, you know, experiment. So I got this hoodie, sweater, dress, or whatever, and honestly, I wanna, you know, I could wear sneakers with it, like some Air Forces or whatever, but I wanna see how it looks with some combat boots. Combat boots, my mom got me. I wanna see if that would be a little look. Should I put tights with it? Like, I don't know how to style it yet. So if you guys wanna help me, let me know in the comments. Please let me know. But yeah, I don't have any clothing items that's this color. I'm like, blue just might be my color. Look at that. Brown skin. Baby blue. What is this? Sky blue? Baby blue. This was originally $24.99. I got it for $20. So, but yeah, it's real cute, real oversized, and it's gonna be a look. Period. Next, I got this oversized striped shirt. It was originally $24.99, and I got it for $5. $5. Are you kidding me? But my mom was like, oh, this is cute. I'm like, it is cute. Like, you have to make things work. You have to make it your own. Like, this won't look cute on everybody. I'm sorry, it will not look cute on everybody. But we're gonna make it a little look for me. Guys, we're on to the last store, which was Aeropostale. Honestly, I know a lot of people don't really shop there like that no more. No one that I know of, to be honest. But like, they had a very good sale, and I used to wear Aeropostale when I was like in middle school all the time. But like, if you got cute stuff, it's cute. Like, it don't matter the brand, and don't let nobody tell you that if it's not name brand, what is his name? You know what I mean. If it's not like designer or something, that you can't get it or it's not cute. This is baddie on a budget. Do you understand me? You're gonna be a baddie on a budget. But let's get back into these clothes. Okay, going into the first bag, we have just a hoodie. I feel like everybody needs a regular hoodie. Like, me personally, I'm in college and I'm taking Zoom classes right now. Do I feel like getting up and being cute every day? No. I want to throw on a comfortable hoodie and I want to start my day with class. So I just got this navy blue. It's actually, I don't know, it's close to navy blue, but I feel like it's a different type of blue with this you know, rose gold lettering or whatever. I got an extra large because I wanted it to be oversized, like I said, comfy, but it's really soft material. I feel like it's gonna be really cute. You could put this with some leggings and some Uggs. That's what I probably plan to do with this, honestly. But yeah, this is the hoodie that I got. It was also $10. And then I got this little shirt. I mean, like, it's over. I got this in a large, and it could be like slouchy and like oversized. Like I said, basic pieces, you have to make it cute. But like once you do your makeup, put your hair, your edges, get your accessories, you're cute. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But yeah, it's gonna get cold, y'all. It's getting cold, so you need some type of thermal, something. You know, winter is coming up. It's quickly approaching. November came and went. Like, what's going on? This was 70% off. Y'all, this was 70% off. The original price was $35, and I got it for $7. I think I got it for $7. So, next, I just got these jeans. I thought these were super cute when I looked at them. Like, they're super stretchy, and if you thick, then you need some stretchy jeans. That real denim that's stiff, like, it just don't do it for us. It may do it for you. It may do it for some of y'all, but for me, I like to be comfortable, and I like to wear a cute jean, and I need some stretch in my life, okay? Because these thighs and this butt is not gonna get in no stiff denim. But it just has rips going all the way down. It's different. And then the bottom is not like rolled up or anything. It's distressed as well. So we love the details. It's the details for me. These were originally $60, and I got it for $16. So, y'all, I usually don't get perfume, but I smelled it while I was in line. Because you know, while you in line, they have those stands, and it'll be the perfume, the sprays, all the little knickknacks and everything. I'm like, let me smell it. I'm like, this smells great. Okay, and then the cashier, she saw me smelling or whatever. She was like, yeah, I have the mist in my car or whatever, and I have the perfume at home. It smells really good. It smells so good. I was like, really? You think so? You think I should get it? She was like, yeah, it smells good. Usually I don't get perfumes or anything from like stores or like, you know, clothing stores. I usually just get my perfume from Pink or like Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body Works. That's it. So this is the Endless Wonder Petals perfume from Aeropostale. I recommend you guys get it. I feel like it smells good. You guys might think it smells good. So now I got some cute little bralettes, y'all. I've never had a bralette. Obviously I have bras or whatever, but like I've never had like a cute bralette. So I'm not gonna go into too much detail because you're not wearing it. But I just got this beautiful mustard colored bralette, and it's just so cute. It goes like all the way down here. I was like, Mom, what am I gonna wear with that? She was like, what? It's cute, just get it. I was like, you're right, but it just goes over your neck, and it's so soft. I cannot wait to try this on. Girls, like, if you like wearing bralettes or whatever, I highly recommend getting some from Aeropostale. These were originally $30, and I got it for $10. I got it for $10. But this is just this one. And then I got a black one in a different style. I got one with 2 straps. So it's this one. I got a gray one. Y'all, this is the last purchase. And it was the most different for me. Because at first I was like, my mom showed me. I'm like, why would you even recommend that? Like, why would you even say that? I'm like, all right, let me try it on. And she was right. So the next and last item is just this red coat, y'all. It is so cute. It is so cute. But y'all, the reason why I was skeptical of getting this is because it's a men's coat. I know, it's men's, whatever. But I got it in a small. I got the smaller size. You won't be able to tell at all. I'm telling you. Ladies, if the girl coats are too expensive or like they don't have your size or you don't like the colors, you don't like the selection that they have, look in the men's. And if you see what you like and you be like, let me see, get the smallest size, depending on, you know, your personal woman's size. But like get the smallest size or the size that you need in the men's, try it on, and it's gonna look just like a female jacket. So they didn't have my size in the regular women's ones. So I looked in the men. My mom looked in the men's. She was like, try that on. She was like, you like that red? I said, yeah, I like that red, but that's men's. She was like, no, just try it on. Get the small and try it on. So I tried it on. I'm like, oh, this is fire. Like, this is mad cute. So, ladies, take it from me. Get a men's small or whatever size you need and rock it. They would never know. They'll never know unless you open your mouth and say something. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a very fun time showing you these items and taking you along with me on my little mini vlog to the mall and going Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping. And I want you guys to stay tuned because I definitely did order some clothes. A little hint from Shein, so you guys can be expecting another Shein haul coming up soon. And guess what? It's also going to be a lookbook. So y'all, please stay tuned. I just want to thank you guys for watching again. Make sure you like, comment, and please, 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 please subscribe for another piece of K. Mikaylah Rachelle is out.